Myself Chinmay Sengupta, I am your computer teacher. Today we are going to discuss about Windows. I think present day you are quite familiar with Windows. You know very well nowadays Windows is a very much important part in the computer section which is used to operate our computer. In Windows we can find out Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer is a type of program which is used to store varieties of files and folders for future users. Now, how to open Windows Explorer? See, to open Windows Explorer, first of all, there is two ways to opening Windows Explorer. Number one is right click on Start, select Windows, or click on Start, click on All Programs, click on Accessories and select Windows Explorer. After opening Windows Explorer, we will find one view will appear in front of you with two panes. Number one is left pane and number two is right pane. You can find out this pane or pictures in your computer book, just like see. This is the two pane. After click on Windows Explorer, this is a left pane containing all the necessary information intact. If you want to see details about any particular files or folders or drives, just click on it. There is a plus sign and minus signs will appear. Plus sign means some important files and folders available on the particular main folder. After click on that particular file and folder, we can find out details of the file or folder which is appearing in the right pane. This is the right pane is a place where we can find out all the information related, and for this is the main part of the computer. It's clear for you. This is Windows Explorer. After opening Windows Explorer, we can find out details about the drives as well as files, programs. If you want to open different type of options or particular files, easily opening by using this Windows Explorer. Next is libraries in Windows. Everybody knows library is a form of collection of different type of options or files. In computer you can also find out different type of files and folders in one place is known as a library. You just see, library are user defined collection of content. It means those are using that computer, you can that particular person or persons can save all the information in the Windows libraries. So library is the main part of the Windows also. And next is, just see, working with control panel. Control panel next is control panel. Just see, control panel is a very much important part in computer through which we can add or remove any type of program, hardware and software. Just see, in control panel we can find out different type of options. First is system and security. Through control panel you can just modify your computer with full of system and security. Next is networking. Nowadays it is very much familiar with other computer. If you want to share your information to other computer through control panel, we can add networking for sharing the information as well as internet. Everybody knows that internet is a network of international communication system. Also we can set up through control panel. Hardware and sound. Through control panel we can add hardware or sound, and as well as if you want to remove hardware and sound, it is easily possible by control panel. Next is user account. Now if you want to protect your computer from other user, you easily give the password to protect your computer from the other user. You can also set the clock and language and region from control panel. It means, and as well as ease of access. It means nowadays control panel in the computer is very much popular and very important system in the Windows. Now how to open control panel? To open control panel, just see, wait for a while. If you want to open control panel, See, to open control panel, first of all click on start. You know, in the desktop you can find out the start button in the left side. Click on start, click on control panel, or there is another way to opening control panel. Go to desktop, open my computer, select control panel from the toolbar. These are two ways to open control panel. After click on control panel, you can find out all these necessary options here. Just see, these are control panel options which is available after click on control panel. After that, next is font. What is font? Font is a type of graphical representation of text that may include different styles, point, size, color or design for write or store any type of information in the computer by using application tools or application software. Some example of control panel is Arial, BLMT, etc. If you want to set control panel, just how to open control panel? If you want to open font, just see. You know very well how to open control panel. After opening control panel, we can find out windows will appear in front of you. On that windows, just click on appearance and presentation. After click on appearance and presentation, there are another windows is coming in front of you, and just click on font. After click on font, we can find out different types of font. If you want to add font, what will be the procedure? Procedure is select the drive and open the folder that contain new font. Just select the drive. After opening font, then select the drive. From where you can add the new font, just select the drive and select the new font and copy the font which you want to add, and after that and paste it font on the control panel on that part in appearance and presentation. There is a procedure to add new font in control panel. Next is how to delete font. In your book, there's you can find out the steps and just discuss details. Just see, select the font which you want to delete. Just select the font which you want to delete. Then click on the delete button present on the above font thumbnail. Just after select the font which you want to delete, you can find out easily delete the options is available as a thumbnail, and a delete font dialog box will appear. A delete box thumbnail is appear. Then click on yes. This is the procedure to delete font. Next is how to open on-screen keyboard. Basically, a keyboard is an input device already available in front of computer, but there is any problem with your ongoing keyboard. If you want to apply on-screen keyboard, it is easily available from control panel. Just on-screen keyboard available in the control panel. Just open control panel and then go to the click on start button, click on all programs icon, click on accessories and click on easy of actions, and now click on screen keyboard. It means on-screen keyboard available in accessories, or if you want to apply open a control panel, you can connect on-screen keyboard from the control panel too. Now today is the enough. Today's next day I am going to discuss about how to bind in CD and other things. Thank you, students.